said it we. Black everything, black cars, all black everything. And our girl's a black person. I'll explain later, but for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple. Yeah, I'm talking 5,60 shot zeros. Here the back to running circles round.
Break the rules, so I don't care. So I keep doing my own thing. Almost there, don't give a damn. Only thing that's
Oh yeah, I said it we are. You can call me Caesar, in a dark Caesar. Please follow. Rock Nation, pledge your allegiance, get your fatigues on, all black. Riding with they diligence, I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is like a bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave Doug a grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Niggas, now we squared up. Hold up.
life's a game, but it's not fair. Walking tall against the rain. Victories within from my mind. It's who gonna run this town tonight.
The leader, so Eric B. We are microphone fiend. It's the return of the God.